Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian if you have not been here before. My lighting is like, it was sunny and then it got really windy and really dark, and so I have like no natural light, and so I'm using like a little ring light and it's not like perfect, but that's why there's this big like shadow behind me. I don't want to figure out how to fix it. That's gonna take too long, all right? I'm trying to get this. We're doing this. I've got to go to Zumba, all right? I've got to go to Zumba after this. We gotta go. We gotta get through this. But, okay. So today I'm gonna do a clothing haul for you. Most of the clothing, there's like one or two things that aren't clothing. A mall haul. I hit up a few stores in the mall. Forever 21, H&M, Riley Rose. And then I have like one or two things from Target, which is not in the mall, but we're lumping it in. We're putting it together. So I guess let's just jump into it. Okay, so first up is this dress I got from H&M. It's a nice like wrap dress, except it's not a full wrap dress, like it's sewn in and stuff. But there is like a lining inside, which is nice because otherwise this fabric would be too thin and you could see all my undergarment. But I really kind of like this style. It's not exactly what you'd initially think is a Viv piece of clothing, but I kind of like the timelessness of it, the very classic. Feels like you should be like some muse on a beach in Italy, someone taking a nice old film photo of you. And you'd be in like a wrap dress and be like, yes, it's me, Jane Birkin. Hello, it's me, Bridget Bardot. Please take my photo. I'm just casual and candid and carefree and on Lake Como or whatever. And that's the life I want. So this is gonna get me there. So about this. So the next thing I got was this bra top. And I mean, it's actually a medium, so maybe it's meant to be more of like a cropped tank top on someone with itty bitty titties. I do not have those. Maybe it's meant to be a bra. It's meant to be a cropped tank top, but on me it's more like a bralette. So it's a like velvety bralette. It's red. I don't usually go for stuff like this, and you know, what are the odds I picked up two bralettes at Forever 21 because they just looked really pretty and I'm like feeling better about my body. But so I kind of feel better about wearing these with like a, you know, high-waisted jeans. It's like I'm still not showing a lot of stomach, but there's still a neat kind of thing to go underneath stuff. Like this light jacket. I got this from Forever 21, this leopard print. Can you tell I like leopard print? Let's take a count. That's 3 so far, ladies and menses who are watching this. I love leopard. I love leopard print. But yeah, this is actually a top. It didn't fit as a top. There's absolutely zero stretch in it. So I just decided to get it as a kind of like jacket kind of thing because I still like the cut of it. It looks cute like that. Like it kind of goes out like a mini peplum towards the middle. And I thought it looked nice as an, you know, over thing. So the kind of thing that you would put over a bralette. If you're not, you know, crazy comfortable wearing a bralette, then you have something to kind of cover it. And then you have something to wear under that. It's a whole thing. And then I got this purple bralette. I'm actually wearing it under this shirt I'm wearing now, so I can't pick it up and show you, but that's what it looks like on me. It's quite booby. It's, you know, I don't really wear things this booby, but you know, I got the boobies. Might as well let the world see the boobies. So I got this little booby crop top bra thing. It really is like a bra. I mean, people get away with wearing these as tops. If you're, you know, part of that big boob life, then you know that's harder than it is if you're in the itty bitty titty community. I almost said community. Itty bitty titty community. Itty bitty titty committee. Either way, all titties are good titties. This has been my TED Talk. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. The next thing I got was this graphic tee. Is this honey? Honey. I really love pink and red, and I like tees like this. Especially for the winter, they're great. Just throw them under any jacket, coat, whatever. I just love that whole look, and Forever 21 always has. Sometimes you have to dig through and find ones that aren't like super cringe and find ones that are actually cute, but this one's cute. I also got this one, this yellow leopard print one is one I got at Forever 21 as well. I love this. I really, really love this. Like it's like a neon yellow leopard print. Super fun. Love it a lot. So this next thing I got from Target. It is a romper. I do not usually go for rompers because they're not always flattering on me. And the whole like, I have to take my entire outfit off to go pee thing is like a major inconvenience that I'm not always willing to put up with, you know? But I saw this on the sale rack and it's vertical stripes. It's black and white. It's not the usual kind of stripe pattern that I would go for, but it was $8 and I tried it on. It was actually like, I'm like, this is actually, you know, somewhat flattering on me. So I'm gonna keep this, I'm gonna get it. It's on sale. And I got it. And that's the story, that's that. So the next thing I got, the other thing I got at Target is this snakeskin mesh long sleeve top. It's very, very thin. It's very, very thin. So it would have to be an under thing, or I actually, here I put that purple velvet bra top thing underneath it. So it's kind of like a way to wear both things at once, because one's a little too little to wear by itself and the other one's too thin to wear by itself. Obviously, it'll be, you know, full nips out. So it's a nice kind of combo. So you wear like that, or just wear it with like an overalls kind of situation over top of it, you know, layer it like that. So at Riley Rose, I got this mug. I see lots of mugs. I'm like, you know how we all kind of instinctively collect mugs, or we just get them as gifts? Everyone just ends up having a lot of mugs. Well, I decided I'm actually going to collect mugs because I love them, and every time I see one, I'm like, I gotta have it, I want it. They're just so good. They're better than cups somehow, because they have such a better shape to put things on. And I kind of want to do a thing where it's like, when I go places, I can collect, you know, like a mug from like a local diner or a restaurant or a coffee shop or something. And so it'll be a neat little collection of where I've been, plus like neat, like funky ones that you find at like thrift stores, or like we have one from like Hershey World in Pennsylvania from like the early 2000s when we were kids, and like stuff like that. Just a bunch of fun, eclectic mugs. I just love that whole concept. And I saw this one in Riley Rose, and at first I was like, I'm not sure. You can see it. Full of beauty YouTuber on you there. And I wasn't super sure about it because it's kind of that like fake meant to look old, but it's really not. But I thought it looked enough like something you maybe could have found at Goodwill, that kind of a 60s look to it, that I was like, it's kind of cute. So I got it. Now, I had actually been on the hunt for like a pink letterboard. I actually had multiple little tabs open on my computer looking for some. So I had some on Amazon, I had some on Etsy. Most of them were kind of like felt boards, and they had like a light brown wooden border, and I was like, I don't want that. I either want it to be like white or black or like nothing. And I walked into Riley Rose and they had exactly what I was looking for. I didn't even think to go look in Riley Rose. We just recently got a Riley Rose within like the last year, so I don't go in there like a lot because I don't go to the mall a ton. So I, you know, can keep myself from buying everything, because I would buy like everything in Riley Rose. But I got this. Oh, well, how did that get on there? Oh. It finished. Also from H&M, I got these earrings. Because look at them. This is like me. It's heart-shaped and they're pearls. Amazing. Alright guys, I don't know why I always have to go like this when I'm done. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I think that's all. I think that's everything. I don't think I forgot anything. No. Okay. But yeah, let me know in the comments which piece was your favorite. I'd love to hear it. And yeah, I will see you again next time. Bye.